Hump Day, yeah!
Money, money, money. Money, money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money.
Hump Day, yeah!
All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Happy Hump Day, Wednesday, baby. Let's get it. Pee Wee and Playboy here.
What's up, y'all? Good morning.
Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. If you
Very
would,
much.
if you have not done so, go ahead and like and subscribe, please, to the channel. Keep us here. Keep us going.
Mhm.
Show us we're appreciated.
Show a little support, y'all. It's free.
Fat ass gap up overnight. Highs yesterday was what, 625. Now I lost my screen. There it is. Um, high yesterday was the 625, pretty much on the money. 625, I don't know, what's the fucking number? 625.04. That is basically, it's a little lower than pre-market low today. So we gapped up to 731, almost 732 overnight, and we've been pulling back ever since. We are below VWAP, but we are a long way from pre-market low. We're about $4 away. And then you have yesterday's high in that same area, 725. And so kind of good, kind of bad, guys, because look, we're gonna open up in the middle, all right, of pre-market highs and lows. So this thing can do a couple of things. So generally when we get gap ups, we usually there's a lot of profit taking, right? And so it's gonna be puts. In the middle here, it's still up quite a bit. Like we'll be up $4 from yesterday's close, which is in theory, that's still a gap up, even though it went to $10 or so up. There's still wiggle room. The fact that it's in the middle, it's kind of good because if we get a break above our opening range, we can move up, push towards VWAP, and then on up to the pre-market high. On the flip side, if we get a breakdown below outside of our range, then we're looking to push towards that 725, which is the pre-market low, and then yesterday's high of day. So you got a little bit of double support down there in that 725 area. Of course, we're going to just wait and see, and we'll play whatever the hell it gives us. But just food for thought to look at, I guess. I don't know. Yesterday was a solid fucking day, guys. Very easy. I think we were done within 2, 3, 4 minutes, I think. The day before, I think, was also pretty good. I kind of forget. The shit blends together.
Yeah, honestly.
We'll do it, win, lose, or draw. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do, and so you want to follow along, go ahead. I'll tell you what I'm seeing, and that's pretty much it, man. Like this, I don't make the market work for me. Like I just, it is what it is. I had someone yesterday. They're like, "Oh, did you see X, Y, Z?" I'm like, "Nope." Don't I leave my computer? I don't even know what the fucking the market could go to zero, and I don't even know. Like I literally don't know. I don't care. This is if you look at this bad boy. So this was boom. So this is the hourly for the last year. You can see we trended up. We had that the curve here, if you will, when we were like doom and gloom here. That was back in what, end of March. We were like, fuck, we're going to zero. Because it didn't really, there was no, see this round like this? Market doesn't typically do that, right? It just usually, there's an event and the thing just goes straight fucking down. But this thing was just like losing all momentum. This was around the time the war was starting in there. And so after I don't know what kickstarted it, I forget, man. It was the beginning of April though. And then we broke out of this downtrend, which is right here. Oh, sorry, my thing sucks. We broke out of this downtrend and then right here, and then it never looked back, right? It was just fucking go, 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 go every day. And guys, this is nuts. Absolutely fucking nuts. All right. We're at 730. It took us for fucking ever's sake to get to 700. And
Now
I
she's
was
balling.
joking. I'm like, let's go get 800. But are you fucking kidding me? Like, are
I
we
think
gonna?
it
I
is.
have no idea. This is just nuts to me. It can't sustain. Okay, first of all, it can't sustain doing this. First of all, um, we're going to get a pullback. I don't know when. There's
Shit.
a lot of buying coming in, so I don't know, man. It's just cool to see. I like it going up.
It's fucking AMD. AMD fucking shook the market.
Let me see. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. Here, let me. This is cool. How do I do this? AMD. What's AMD doing? Let me look at the data. Oh shit! What's up with
Mhm.
AMD?
They reported earnings last night.
Yeah, they got up. Where we go? Probably fuck $40.
Right
15.
now
Oh,
it's
well,
up
more than that.
54.
40, 50, 60. Yeah, it's fucking up fat. If you were in AMD, you're nice. You are sitting nice.
Nice.
Zoom back in. Anybody that's new here, guys, you see these, I was going to say orange. You see these gold bars? These are our opening range that we play. The indicator is going to create this for us. You'll see a little white box, if you will, at the beginning of the market, and then after 5 minutes, it's going to turn gold. And this is just a good visual. Like when I'm looking at the market, it kind of stair steps up, right, and we can just kind of see what it's doing. And then here we flagged for a little bit. I don't know if you remember last week. I was like, we were in a holding pattern, and then we cracked above it. And again, the last few days we were holding, and then we just cracked that too. So it's fucking nuts, guys. I don't know. I'd expect probably a couple of days, I would think, of doing this again, of just ranging here. Hopefully staying above this 725. That'd be nice. And then hopefully another leg up, right? Everyone likes it up. Get it up, get it up. Uh, like I said, I pretty much hold your hand. We're gonna I'll tell you what we're looking at as things are happening, and then what I'm gonna do, why I'm gonna do it, what to look out for. The market did open. We're in about a minute. You can see the indicator working. Excuse me. I spied a little CYTK ticker. If someone would follow that for me, please. I didn't put any alarms on it. I should have. I want to see it hold the 76 area. I like calls on that going into June. I want to push up towards that 100, 110. It's going to be a little pricey, so maybe only buy one contract if you can afford it, or a couple. I'll put that out later, though. I'm not going to rush into that one. It's pretty cool here. Equal volume. Second candle actually has more volume than the first. Couple of plays to look out for if I was free trading, guys. What I mean by that is just free trading. Like if I was just sitting down here and I wanted to, hey, what can I play? Um, I would play with, if we close above VWAP, I would enter calls myself, or long position if you're in futures. Since we're doing this thing, I'm going to show you our regular play, okay? But there's always plays to be seen, always plays to be had. Um, so just keep that in mind. First of all, VWAP is my first trend, I guess you can call it. Okay, if we're south of VWAP, I'm you have to think puts. All right, you flat out have to think puts. Short of being $3 off, or far off of VWAP to try and catch the knife, if you will, because VWAP acts as a magnet, right? And so even if you're far off it, let's just say VWAP's down, or I'm sorry, the price is way down here, and you wanted to just, to me, it is gambling. If you wanted to gamble for the price to come back towards VWAP, you know, that's gambling because you're just like, well, I hope it goes back. It typically does, but there's no real trade. What am I thinking of? Uh, there's no real reason why other than you're like hoping it goes back towards the magnet. But if you're actually trading it, like I put out a video yesterday, it can be very freaking lucrative. It does go back and forth on the minute because it just does. All right, it just does. I don't know why, because they're fighting. But you also get the trends. Like, look at the last time this thing. So it closed way up here, 7:30. You would have been in. You'd had a $2 move, $3 move to the south. I mean, that's huge in the options world. So even in the NQ, right? So just be on the lookout. I'm still gonna do our breakout play. After another minute or two, this thing's gonna turn gold. These blue lines that you're seeing, that's going to continue for 15 minutes. That's going to be the 15-minute range. That does disappear after the end of the day, but the gold will stay for us, okay? And again, for visual, this is our pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. So there was only a $4 move yesterday. And then overnight, we went from 25 to 31. So there was this, what, $6, $7 move almost.
I just took some of those calls.
Did you?
Mm.
So
Hey,
here's another rule, food for thought. You can also play puts here, right? You can play puts off of the breakdown of VWAP because we have not closed above VWAP. So you can take puts. And then it's a short stop out because if this thing does, especially on the 1 minute chart, if it does close above, you can just exit out position. Guys, get ready, load up 732 calls. 732 calls, guys. Load them up. Don't go. We got 20 seconds. 732 calls. 732 calls. Load them up. Load them up. Load them up. Doesn't mean go yet. Wait 10 seconds. And if it does not break above, I'm not going. All right. 732 calls. And it doesn't look like I'm going. Nope, not going. Now it's gonna fucking drive up the bastard. But
wow.
I have mine loaded, ready to go. I am not in. All right. I'm not in. It's not a bad play. If you did happen to jump, you're probably getting paid. But I'm gonna wait just because again, I play my system, if you will. All right. I just rinse and repeat it. It's hard not to. It's hard to fight it because I am human. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. We got 30 seconds, guys. And here's the opening range, which I was talking about. All right. I want to see a close above VWAP, and our opening range is basically the same. And so we have 15 seconds, 732 calls. And I need to get this out for the people too. 732 calls. Oh, I didn't get levels out. Whoops. You guys win.
Oopsies.
Go. Minute 40. 732. 732 calls, guys. Today's the 6th. I'd like to push up towards pre-market high would be ideal. And on the flip side, we want to hold VWAP. We want to hold opening range. All right. If this closes below VWAP and back into our opening range, you can exit if you want and then wait for it to close back above. That's, you'll be down a little bit, a couple percent, but it's totally up to you. Remember what I was saying? Like, okay, it's gonna flip flop on VWAP. Well, they fight here. This is a hard level. The VWAP is a hard level, guys. That's actual price right now that people are buying and selling based on the amount of shares being traded, if that makes sense. And don't wait on me. Don't wait on any other analyst to tell you to take profit. If you see some green that's good for you, that you like, take it. Take it. And don't tell me or don't let me tell you when to stop out either. All right. I stop out at about 25% typically, unless I see something else. Like I said, if you wanted to exit, you can and just wait for it to close back above. That's a safe play. All right. Some people just don't like quote unquote losing. I don't want to lose. Losing is fine. Just have your plan. That's it. So we have 7 good 2 calls for those people that don't know. Want this bitch to push up. She's fighting. I kind of don't like this here, and I do. I do like that it's squeezing, but I don't like the area it's fighting at because I would rather it be fighting up in this region. But is what it is. We'll take it. We'll take it. In the event we lose, guys, in the event this thing comes all the way down, we're going to take puts below 727.82. All right. But we dare not speak lose. All right. We don't speak lose. You can see the volume coming in here like that. Just trying to pick it back up. We have to crack VWAP. VWAP is our friend. We want to be on the other side of VWAP. We want up, up, up. Get them up, Pollyanna.
I mean, the higher time frames look good. 30-minute, hour.
Well, of course, because we fucking jumped up, man.
Yeah. But they built up since the open. But I think they might be trying to fucking fake some people out here. Get everybody out their position. Then wham, shoot it up.
We're gonna have a lot of FOMO people too that are like, oh, I'm gonna jump in. That could have been what this was here because they were like, let's get in, get in. This thing's gonna go to the moon. There's a lot of volume for both these opening candles. We're not too far off. What, we're $3 out of the money, $4.
So I like that push. Get up there.
Just want to get on the above VWAP. Above VWAP.
Get up
What's
there.
AMD doing? AMD's going, or it went a little bit. Went back up
AMD
to
still pushing. Oh shit, fuck. Yeah. AMD's fucking market's like that. Where's the Strider? Hey, move. Pirito.
Come on, baby, push. Get them. Get people paid. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
If you did exit when I did, jump back in here. If we close above, guys, jump back in above. There you go. You should be at 30 or 31.
Um,
And again, I'll if a close below VWAP, I'll get out again. All right. Just I'd rather take a small couple losses. That's fine. I'll wait for the move. If it does get the continuation, if we get above the VWAP and above our opening range, we need to get one of these release candles. I call them one of these, and that's where we're going to get paid, guys. So I'd rather take a couple of small losses and then get paid.
get paid.
What's it called? You have to know accept loss. Like I don't care if I lose nine. Like I have one strand. I think it's the VWAP or the well, I guess all my no stop ones that I trade signal to signal over it 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 only wins like 20%, 25%, but it gets all the ranges. And so way more like the ratio is like 5 to 1 as far as profit taking. I forgot what they call it, but
Or R double R.
Jason, that's fine you did that, but like I just said, bro, it's fine to re-enter, take a small loss, even if it's 5-6%, take that loss. No reason to hold. We're below. So VWAP is my first, remember guys, VWAP is my first deciding factor. If I'm looking at calls, I need to be above VWAP. All right, above VWAP. Then we're looking at calls. If you close below VWAP, you should not be in calls. Period. Should not be in calls. So if you entered a call play here, you stopped there. We entered here, you stopped here. It's just it. This is why what I was just saying, the VWAP, yeah, it doesn't win all the time. It doesn't have to because it does this bullshit, right? It's a very strong level. And then you're gonna see throughout the day, this thing just separates, right? It separates. And that's where you're getting paid. We're looking at 632 calls, brother. 632 calls, wake and bait, whatever your name is. And then you'll want to wait to enter wake and bake until we get a close above VWAP, which in this case is also above our opening range. Once we do enter, you want to be very wary of our 15-minute opening range, which is high of day, okay? 729.55. So even though you're about to enter puts here, or I'm sorry, in calls here in 20 seconds, 15 seconds, you got to be very weary of this here. And again, I entered twice. This will be 3 times here. If it closes below VWAP, get out. All right, get out. Simple as that. There you go. 33. Now you want to see this thing push through, get above our opening range, which will be nice. You'll get paid. And then we want a continuation up towards pre-market highs. You can see it wicked it to the fucking penny, guys. Look at it. Oh, got to the 729.55 and rejected. Like you see what I see, right? Like you're seeing this wick, you're seeing that wick. It came up to the same exact thing. Came up to the same exact thing. This closes below VWAP. Get out. All right. Get out.
Hoping we get a big ass bazooka.
I do like that it is squeezing here, guys. The issue is you don't want, I don't know. I mean, maybe you do. I don't. I don't know if this is uh so many sellers are here trying to push it down, and all this squeezing is the buyers trying to hang on, right? Once the buyers aren't there anymore, this thing is just gonna go poop right down to here instantly. And or vice versa. Maybe these are the sellers are running out of gas, and then we're just gonna go pop. And that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm thinking is gonna happen, but I don't care. I'll just play whatever it gives us. You have to be emotionless. I understand it's hard as fuck because we're human. Fear and greed is in our blood. All right. That's just what we are. People do not like losing. You have to just accept losing. Let me slide this down. Um, and it's okay because you're gonna get paid eventually on one side of this or the other. It's gonna go today. Not every day can be our 2 minute fucking play. You should not be in anymore. Just for the record, you should not be in calls. We are south of VWAP. You should not be in calls. If you are, you're not the smartest. Okay. And there's what I was talking about. So now it's going to try and recover. We want to stay above opening range, low. We want to stay in our opening range. So the blue lines here, it's past 15 minutes, so these aren't going to move anymore. This is our 15-minute range. So we're just waiting and watching, guys, okay? Waiting and watching. In the event this thing comes down towards opening range low, you can jump in calls if you want. All right. Jump in calls. And then for the love of all things, it gets below, you close them out. Simple as that. You close them out, you get in puts. All right. Or you just wait for the close below and then you take puts. All right. This line here, you can't, I mean, it's our opening range right here. It's also VWAP. So um it needs to act as better support. See how it's cracked above 3 times, but it's fell below. So we need it to act as proper support. We need to get above it. I may switch to the looking at the 31s. I kind of like the 31s better because I know they're a little more, but I don't like getting in below 30 cents.
Mhm.
And 731, we can probably get in the money and they start moving a little better. Yeah, this one I'm gonna go with. I'll go 31s if it pops above again. Okay, guys? 31s. The market hates you, by the way. It wants your money. It's not your friend. It hates you. In case you didn't know that.
Not your friend.
Not your friend. Not your friend. And we go on the. I go on the close. You guys do what you want. I go on the close. It's gonna probably be around 55, maybe. Let's see. Maybe we can sneak in a 54. Let's see. Wait for it. 8 seconds. 5. And then again, be weary of this 729.55. Okay. Go. I got in at 58, guys. I lied. 58. 731 calls. 58. 731 calls. 58. And we want to bust through here. Here we go. Take a trim. See?
True.
There we go. Doesn't have to be stressful. Doesn't have to be stressful, guys.
Okay.
15%. There you go.
I just seen what Wake and Bait said. Wake and Bait, I don't know a girl that doesn't stop talking, to be honest with you.
One more time.
I was telling Wake and Bait that I don't know a girl that doesn't stop talking.
Oh, right.
Talk. Getting your fucking arm chopped off and she's fucking talking about her yoga class.
You got in with me. You got in at 58. Should be trimming, taking trim. Make sure you get paid. Okay.
Get paid.
You got 15% solid. And I'm out. That's just because the market hates me. If you are still in, that's fine. But just have your plan. I was typing and I wasn't looking at it. I would have moved it, but anyway. Oh, there you go. I like calls above opening range, guys, and above our VWAP. So I was just looking down typing. So that's why it stopped me. I would have moved my shit, but anyway, is what it is. I got my green. I'm good.
Green, green, green.
Yeah, if you're still in, make sure you're trimming, guys. All right. We want to continue to push up towards 731.62, and we want to be above VWAP, which is also our opening range. All right. And each time you can see it has to push through. So you're going to see these bigger candles to get through these levels. That's because there's a lot of people there. For whatever reason, they don't want it. They're short in the market. And so that's why it needs, you typically see these bigger candles to push through. See, it's trying to right here. Once it does, you'll see a little pop. Pop that pussy. Oh, can I say that? Pop, pop.
Yeah,
Who's
no,
that?
they might be weird about that on here.
Yeah, but I put not for kids. Don't be coming in here.
There you go.
Don't be listening. Don't be listening to me. I'm a fool.
Your kids get out.
Oh shit, you get a Latina mad. I'm not even sleeping. Shit. I'm sleeping with one eye open in the corner with cans all around me, some thumbtacks on the floor. Shit.
I done heard some crazy fucking stories. I ain't had a Latina yet. A lot of white girls.
My wife, I was gonna say my wife's crazy too. She's like, hey, get me mad. You got to eat dinner. She's like, cheat on me, beat me, do whatever you want. She's like, oh, here you go, baby. Have some dinner.
Mhm.
Oh, what's wrong? Why are you on the toilet all night? Why are you throwing up? Why are you
Come on.
shitting yourself? Yeah. She's like, I beg you, go ahead, go ahead.
Hey,
Guys, hopefully today was kind of actually a good day to see this. All right. Um, it was just a good day. Like you should be green. If you're still in, should be green. Um, and like I just said, you just have to um however you do it, however you work through it, you have to work through being able to accept a loss and it be okay. That's it. I'd rather lose 4 or 5% and have my game plan. It's a lot easier, guys. Believe it or not, it's a lot easier on futures. And the reason is because it's just a hard level. It's just the levels. You're not dealing with decay. Uh, it's the market is hard enough, right? The market's hard enough as it is. So the decay just makes it even harder. If you can trade options and be good at it, fuck, you'll be you'll be fucking killer at futures because it's only
um,
levels driven, purely levels driven. There's no decay. So you just
that's
literally
what this.
draw a line in the sand. You're like, here, I want to buy right there, and you'll buy right there. There we go. 25%.
Oh, did anybody sign up for the Ninja Trader Cup?
Now, what was Ninja Trader doing? What does that mean?
They've got a fucking what do you call like a I can't even find the fucking word. What do you call it? Like a challenge.
You can do Rick if you're sorry to step on you.
No, you're good.
Rick, if you're doing like your own solo account, you can link it to TradingView. You can trade right through TradingView. Like if you use Apex or Blue Sky or those are my favorite. You can link them right to here and you can trade right through here. I have so many different brokers. I just go in and do them on the Trade app. It's fine. You can also do that. Doing it on the Trade app, you can mirror the accounts. So let's say you can have 2, 3, 4 accounts doing the same thing. So I can just say, hey, take a buy. And it's all 4 of those accounts or 5 of those accounts are going to enter that trade. On TradingView, you can't. It's easier to trade off of TradingView as far as because you get all your charts, but you have to toggle into each account. So it's up to you. It's all personal, guys. Like I don't know. Do whatever. But if you have one account you're just learning, link it to TradingView. I think it's the easiest until you start getting multiple accounts, in my opinion.
Uh, Um, Guys, you guys can trade prop firm accounts and leverage those. If you're just starting out in futures, you don't have to use real money. You can get practice in and also make real money while practicing. Once you pass your challenge for whatever prop firm you're using, and they're usually like $50 for a month, and you can usually pass within a month and get paid if you're any good at it.
It only takes a
And
couple $100, a couple $100 a day. Doesn't take much.
And if you lose $50. So I mean, like, you really can't fucking go wrong. There you go, LPG. Yeah, Apex is nice.
I like Apex and I like Blue Sky. I used to like Top Step, but they changed. I don't like them. And then Tradeify is good. I like Tradeify. A lot of people use my funded futures or funded next. I've used day traders. I've used probably all of them. I haven't had payouts from all of them. I've only had payouts from half a dozen. But you get
Just
you
half a
get your
dozen.
you get your favorites, and then I just stay with them, right?
Yeah.
So I really like people dog Apex. I like Apex now, especially they have the so they were very hard before because they only offered the trailing, and so people don't like them because they don't win, right? And they only offered the trailing stop, which means whatever your all-time high is for the day, let's say you're up $3,000 today at some point, but then it lowers to 1,900. Well, you just blew your account, even though you're $1,900 up. Because if you come down to $2,000 or whatever, I'm off on my monies, but you could be up whatever 3,000, then it come down 2,000, and you lost the account. You blew it, even though you're still positive because it was a trailing from its high. So now it's called end of day trailing. You can, which is easier because it doesn't matter if you're up 10,000 and it comes down to 1,000 for the day. You're still winning 1,000 for the day. So that's what the difference between the end of day or the trailing means. Especially if you automate, I'd either A, set your target for the day at like 250 or something. If you're doing a trailing account, that way it doesn't get away from you. I've blown many of accounts because I'm up so big and then it comes down. So
You guys, if you are interested, maybe we can do like a 20-minute session one of these days on futures. Maybe do a little live trade, levels based. Um, Kiwi's got his code in the description. He's got 50% off Blue Sky launch, 30% off the Propel plans.
bro, breakout up here. Just so
Saving
you guys
money
can
is
see.
making money.
These are a few of my indicators I use, guys. Here, I'm going to get rid of BWAP. Okay. So here's just our breakout, just to give you an idea. So this is the NQ, and this is our same opening range. Okay. So you entered here on the breakout, you would have got up to 72 ticks. So 72 ticks, it's $18. One tick is worth $5. Just to put that in perspective, if you guys don't know what ticks are, it's a quarter. All right. So it doesn't go based on dollars, it goes by ticks. And so uh anyway, that's what it is. It's per tick. This is the NQ for those. This is a mini. A micro is a MNQ, which is you'll see if you see that it's MNQ, and that's 1/10, right, of the size of an NQ. So it's like you're this. If you play one NQ, it's like playing 10 MNQs. So that this play is like $300-400 just for that little breakout right there. This little move right here. Whoops. So my indicator. So even though it says, you guys know this, when it closes, that's when it gets our gives the signal. So we're really getting in the candle after. All right. So that's that move right there. Like my breakout, I only put it for 40 ticks. So I don't even know if 40 is like down here probably. I don't know. So you can take my Jeep. It's out front. I'll look at your door. Hey, Kyle. Kyle, when you had the window down, did anyone slam that door shut? You were just driving. That's it. All right. He gets home and his fucking window won't roll up. Well, the motor, I went out there, the motor's going, like the motor's spinning,
Mhm.
but it just won't go up. So I was thinking it got slammed, either broke or it came off the rails inside once the window was down. It's tinted, and so even if it got shattered, it's still going to be intact, you know.
Right. Won't be in
Um,
pieces.
sorry guys, not to get off track here. It doesn't take much, right? Like I said, $400 is what I set my NQ breakout to. I have it set. I have one called on the break, so it enters on the break. So right here, so it would enter literally right here, regardless of signals. It just enters on the break, and so you can play it that way, or you could wait to the close, whatever you want. Go back over to Spy, see what we're doing.
Yeah. I'll get with Pee Wee and we'll set up a futures based stream one of these days.
Yeah, we could do it any day. I don't care.
Mm-hmm. Show you guys how it's done.
I used to trade only ES when I started futures because it was linked to SPY. So SPY is ES, NQ is the MNQs, or I'm sorry, is the NQs or the MNQs.
How much is a tick on ES?
1250 per tick.
1250.
So
So
it's
what?
250.
MES is what,
So I
half
use
that?
MES is $1.25. Is that what it is? Yeah.
$1.25 to 10.
Um, I used to do like $2 for my profit, the 8 ticks, and that's, I mean, how much is that? That's 8 times 1250.
Oh,
Whoops.
no, it's fucking 100, right?
Yeah, it's $100, and then I would just adjust contracts. Because here, let me flip over. Watch, just to give you an example. Let's go to the ES. So today we had our breakout of ES here. If you wanted $2, let me show you what $2 is. $2 is right there. So happens pretty fast, but that's about the same as I would just do that as far as movement goes. Of course, this thing moved to 14 ticks or 15 ticks. Let me see. Just moves slower, just moves different. I used to be scared of NQ because the fucking thing moves so fast.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm a ninja now, so I'm a ninja.
Ninja.
Speaking of
Get that
ninja,
ninja.
what were you talking about before I jumped all over you?
Oh, fuck.
They had like a
Got
ninja sale or
ADD, dude.
something.
I don't even remember what I ate yesterday.
I have I did. I was gonna say I never used. I used Ninja Trader only because I bought the wrong account one time, so I used it. I didn't care for it, but whatever.
Ninja.
To
Yeah,
each his own.
I've never used Ninja, but they're giving free accounts for their cup in 12 days. Winner gets 100 grand.
Hmm. Now that sounds like work.
It does, but
Nah,
shit.
I'm good.
100 grand to buy me a new boat.
Shit.
It can buy me a boat. Buy me a truck to put.
So hopefully you guys made something on the options. Hopefully you were able to what's it called? Be disciplined.
Discipline. Speaking of discipline, Playboy needs to hit the gym.
It is after fuck. been making me work lately. Sons of
No,
bitches.
you fuckers.
Guys, if you have not done so, again, please like and subscribe. Helps us out. Let me find the link. Whoops. There's that. And then come on over to Discord if you want. I'll have the stream up there. If you want me to stream something different, I'll typically just keep it on the spy unless someone wants it on the NQ or the ES, whatever. Uh, you don't have to follow it all day. You just if you but some people do. But anyway, it's up, it's available.
Use it.
Oh, what did I say? CT. What the fuck was my ticker? What did I say? CYTK. Let me see what that bitch is doing. CYTK. I need to look for an entry on this bitch. Hopefully it's not in the moon. Yep.
No.
Good. Oh, we're pulling back. So I wanted to hold that 75. We're at 74 now. Opening range yesterday was this area here it's coming up to. So this thing gapped up quite a bit and then it pulled back. So we're about halfway from the pullback. See that? It went up to 93.51 and we're about dead smack fucking middle.
I honestly wouldn't mind if we came back down to
All
like
these alarms.
71. She goes and retests like the 71 area. That would be fucking ideal for me.
Well, that was
Then-
this second candle. That's where it pulled back to. You see this? That's where after this big gap up, that candle is where it pulled back down to. So it came back down to 71.30.
Mm-hmm.
And then it immediately bought right back up. So it's been about halfway between this gap up. What I don't even know if this was news on this thing or earnings or what. I just noticed the volume and I was like, God damn. But I'll be looking at $90 calls on this. They are a little
What time frame are
expensive.
you on?
What's that?
What time frame are you on?
This here's the 5 minute.
Oh, it's a 5. It's the 5.
Because if you pull out to was it the hourly I was looking at or the daily? I think the daily. Okay. So last time it did one of these gap things. Did it right here. And so it gapped up like it just did this day, and then it kept going. So same with its gap downs. I don't know what all this they have huge gaps. Look at this. And then it continued down. Here, gap up, continued up. And then again, yesterday was the first day of this gap up again. So I do like this pullback right here, but I want to see it continue up and I want to go push that 110. But so if we eyeball the 90s, where's 90s at? Probably like right in here. There's 90. So if we can get up towards there, that'd be cool. It got to, what did I say, 93 overnight? Pre-market. So it doesn't really count. It got up to 93.51. The options world that don't help us. So that's what I'm looking at right there. You can feel free to jump in whenever you want.
Jump, Froggy, jump.
CRM too, I like. Look at CRM. I've been watching this bad boy, Salesforce.
Oh yeah, I've been watching CRM too. I've got that on my watch list.
So
CRM, I should have
we've been coming down and then it's been basing. And so I've been wanting it. It has done so. See how it does these little up and then down, up and then down, up and then down. Well, it didn't make a new low, and so came down, came up, came down, did not make a new low, came up again. Ideally, we get a breakout. We get a breakout and go. Or it could reject again. I want to see not a new high or a new low. So if we do pull back, I'd like to see like a pullback to here, but we don't want to see the pullback, like to there at the most, right? Because you don't want to make a new low. So if we can get it in here somewhere, or we just break out above and then we push up towards here again. That'll get you paid nice.
Paid. Yeah, combo fucking. I traded
Salesforce was
gold
doing
once.
fucking good. I used to trade them all the time. I don't even remember what I used to. What year are we in? What year? 24. Oops, I need to switch this to daily. This thing used to be fucking money. Look at this thing. You just put anything you want in there. That thing just goes up, up, up. And then for whatever reason, this thing just shit the bed. Here it shit the bed. Here it shit the bed. I don't even know what Salesforce does.
Yeah, I don't know. Fuck. Yeah, I don't.
I
I think I looked it up. They're like,
don't know if they're like a temp agency or are they like
I
a
think it's something like that.
consultants? I don't know. But anyway,
But be careful, fucking trading gold. That shit's fucking eating me
I
up.
no, I mean I've been in gold forever. I got gold. I don't even know what my lowest gold is.
Well,
I got
futures though.
oh no.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, no, no.
Futures gold is fucking.
I have Gordon tomorrow. Who the fuck is Gordon? Huh.
What do
I
they
don't
do though?
who?
CRM.
I don't know.
Mickey said it's a tech company.
Oh, who's BIOA? That sounds like a bio company.
Yeah,
BIOA.
BioAge Labs.
This one ticked too. This one fired for me for volume. Let me see. See if I
Ooh,
like this.
excuse me.
Eh, eh.
Yeah.
Let me see a play here. So we want to hold here. We want to hold here. I don't know what the upside is. What I don't like is it came up here. It made another run. It didn't make it. It made another run. It made its lower highs. So the highs, at least this one here, it equaled this previous one, right? This high here. I don't know. I don't know if it's consolidating. I don't know if it's dying. I don't know if it's going to do another one of these little spike things. I don't know. I don't know if I like this one. It's fine. Keep an eye on it, but I don't know.
Yeah,
A
just
lot of these
protect yourself.
bio companies, a lot of them are based on like this one's not a penny stock, but a lot of these bio companies are typically like the penny stocks or the low ones. Um, and that's because they have like a new drug coming out that just passed something, and so they fucking go nuts, and then they just get your face ripped off. So you better get your piece and get out. But
Be careful what you wish for. Wake and bait.
why would you say?
He said, good call. Took 634, 632. All right, I'm guessing he meant 732. Out at 34, or in at 34, out at 41. Maybe I need to wake my girl up before noon more
Oh,
often.
oh, then she'll just annoy you all day instead of a little bit of the
Mhm.
day.
You know how it goes.
Anyways, guys, I'm fucking out. I don't know what I
We
got to
out.
do. I got to go check out the kids' window. I'm going to try and take off that door panel. If I can just hopefully just pop the window back on. I don't know.
Mechanic Pee Wee.
Well, why pay Juan when I can do?
Exactly.
So I don't know. Someone give me some news on BIOA because I got options are spiking like fucking nuts. 1,500 times its normal trading. So something's going on with them. Let me look. This is the 5 minute right here. Huh. Is there news on that bitch? Anybody? BIOA.
BIOA.
Yeah.
BioH.
What is that? That was that
ROH
chart we
slide.
were just looking at. I mean, I'm just trying to see what the issue is here. You're approaching a level right here where it's at. So I mean, you can use that as the base. You can push up towards here. That's only 50 cents or so. I guess you can target here. I mean, on the shorter term, I do like this consolidation. And then the fact that it did break back up above here, but I didn't like that. I wasn't a huge fan of the bigger chart, the daily, hourly. Look, I just didn't like this. I didn't like the pull down to here. Mm. Lots of fucking volume on this thing, though. I don't know. Maybe I'll fucking jump in.
Bio age.
Yeah. It's just a ton, loads of volume.
Do they have options?
Yeah. I'm sure they will. Everybody does. Yeah. 20. Look at 2250s.
2250s.
I don't know. I'll put something out in the what's that called? In the swings.
In the swingers.
Not for these people here. These freebie minions get nothing. Come on over. Check us out.
On the Discord.
If you have a what's it called? A ticker you want to go over, we can do that. Come on into the Discord. We can go over it, see what I see. Or if you know something, let me know. I'm all about insider fucking give me the lowdown or whatever the fuck.
Screw.
Gimme. Gimme.
All right, Combo. Catch you later. Hope you had a good day.
Later, y'all.
Rocking out with us. I'll catch you tomorrow, bright and early.
Here comes the money, money, money. Dollar, dollar.
Thank you.